Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door bean in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new door bean. There are several door beans used in the fresh food compartment of this refrigerator. This one is installed on the right French door. It's used for additional storage of produce. The most common reason to replace the door bean is if it cracks and no longer stays in place or keeps the food in. To get to the part, we need to open the French doors. To remove the old door bean, all we need to do is just knock it up a little bit. This is the old door bean next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this is a new door bean, and to install it we need to match these two tabs on the sides with two cuts here in the door. So I'm going to slide it in and press it down. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.